Hey, what up, guys? It is Sunday, fun day. I say that whatever day it is, really. I'm wearing my son's sweatshirt. He's still asleep. I'm gonna get away with it and then I'm gonna wash it. Because he has really cool hoodies, because my head is like bare and bald right now. What? Like, if you saw me coming, would you be like, ooh, she looks scary, don't mess with her? It's kind of like what I'm going for. Like G.I. Jane vibes. Don't mess with the G.I. Jane. Okay. Or 11. Or Sinead O'Connor. Or I can go down the list. But that is not what this is about. This is about me finding old stuff and going through a lot of things that there are some things that I was really good at getting rid of. And they're just from my last apartment, so I'm going through those. And then there's some things I was holding on to, almost like a memory, just something, and it's like not necessary, and it's a lot older, and like some of it's from before I was married, which meant I was a child or a teenager, or after we got married, and like when we had our son together, Harrison. But anywho, this book, I thought this would be a fun share. Sex Positions. Over 100 truly explosive tips. I'm just laughing because I'm like, did I buy this? Or did one of my girlfriends give this to me like at my bachelorette thing, or like to be cute? I'm like, did I be writing it? No. Did I buy this for myself? Like, literally, we had the internet, and this was copywritten, text illustrations, 2001. Reprinted in 2002, 2003. And I graduated from high school in 2003 and from college in 2007. And that was the same year I got married and like did a lot of things in 2007. But dude, this is hilarious because like literally you could look up anything you want on the internet. Obviously, I'm not even talking about porn, but like I've educated myself online about God knows my Google history from different points in my life. Good Lord. And what's been on my cell phone, like we're talking pictures, screenshots. I'm talking just like saved information, not even photos. It's ridiculous. Okay. There goes the accent again. Look, they let you know their rating system and what each star means. 1 star means easy peasy, getting it right. 2 stars, read the directions carefully. It might be a little challenging. 3 stars, sexpertise required. Sexpertise. I don't know. I think I have that. I think, is that like something you can get certified in? Sexpertise? I mean, you can be a sex therapist or like a sex coach or guru. And then they have orgasmic potential with these arrows going up. I'm just not gonna. Section 1, erotic sex and sex position tips. I'm like, duh, like this stuff's like, I don't know where they come up with these names, but it's funny because it's like over 100 positions because they just come up with fun names, and then like information in between where I'm like, yeah, I know that. I had looked that up a long time ago and figured that out and experimented with that. Okay, but I find like these are more helpful for like almost taboo stuff or stuff that other people are like, oh my God, you're not supposed to do that. Like that's not, like they're talking about your butt area and like, just like having fun together. I'm not going to show this picture because like I guess on YouTube it's cartoons, but still naked woman on top of a naked man. Beautiful animation, cute. It's like I'm a comic strip kind of look in this book. Don't you love these? These are just like the cosmopolitan tips. Number 16, ask him to hum while he's giving you oral pleasure with his tongue. While you're at it, you're doing an awesome job and you're working super hard. I'm super into it. But can you just like start humming? Like you don't have to sing. Just start humming. Not that you're not like doing enough already. It just makes me laugh. Which is fine. It's totally fine. It's just It's a lot. It's a lot of work if somebody's not like already just humming and trying, like, oh, let me go get the ice. Yeah. That would like be cool, but that would be really cold. I don't think I've literally done that because I'm like so sensitive to the cold, but I'm sure I can handle it. Anywho, it's just obvious stuff. It's like, this is how you do rear entry from standing up or lying down, or like you can't figure it out yourself. If you can't figure it out, you shouldn't be having sex. That's my opinion. But honestly, these are really fun and they make me smile. And I think I should, you know, go ahead and spread the love and the pleasure and gift this to someone else at this point, because I think I'm good. Over and out.